Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set projects on CapCut. Alright, let's get it started. So over here you can see this is already our CapCut project that is on your screen. So let's imagine I have completed this project. Now what I'll do is just export this video, and here you can see this is our export folder path. So now what you can do over here is set a specific location. So here you can see this is our project folder and this is our export path. So next you can just select some video quality options, and once you have done that, what you can do is just click on export, and once you have done that, you'll be able to see where the video has been exported to. So that is our project video that is being exported to the specific location. So next what you can do is just share that video through email or platforms like WeTransfer and Google Drive. Since there is not an official way to share the actual project file in CapCut, that's the only option we have till now. If you get any problems, just comment down below, and if there is some official fix for this or official feature that CapCut releases, I'll be updating with a new video very soon. So yeah, that is how you'll be able to set projects on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.